Hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, sports fans all around the world. Welcome to Emil's Talk, a special segment on This or That Sports TV where you and I can laugh, have discussions and find solutions to pressing issues for yes people, the games we love. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment and share this video to as many people as possible. Why I have to do that? Because I want This or That Sports TV take off. Straight like that, people. But yes, people, back again with another Emil's Talk, and today I have to ask the question today to the supporters of the Reggae Boyz. I have to ask this question to the people. Something wrong with me? I have to stand up and look in the mirror and wonder if there's something wrong with me. Now I am listening to the supporters and I'm listening to the rivals, and there is this optimism and this fear in the sense that the rival fans they look at this squad, our top heavy squad, and they're fearing us. Them see the Antonio, the Leon Bailey, the Demarai Gray, and it's sending shockwaves right throughout CONCACAF and the fan base in CONCACAF and the rival fans. And people have been saying a lot of things, people, but the word to use to encompass all of it seems like the fans fear this Reggae Boyz team. And from the supporter side now, we have this, how do I put it? It is almost like we're gone back to square one, where we're so upbeat and so positive. There's just this joy and happiness, which I'm happy for, of course. But I am wondering why am I not feeling the same way? Why am I not feeling this excitement, this joy, why am I not feeling it, people? And I really want to talk about this Gold Cup team and us going forward into this competition. Now, looking at the squad, obviously there are a few players in the squad that they've obviously played together. The likes of the Jamali Wade, the Andre Blake, the Cameron Lawrence, the Daniel Johnson, the Leon Bailey, the Shamar Nicholson, the Corey Burke, Jonathan Russell to a lesser extent, Javane Brown. All of these players, yeah, they've played together for an extended period of time, so I'm expecting them to have a level of understanding. But putting all of this together and seeing how it works, I am not that confident, people. I am still worried about our defense. You know that we're missing Peanut because of some family issues, and we pray and hope that everything goes well for him and his family. And remember, people, family is important, so that's the reason why he's missing from this team. Damian Lowe, we know that he has an injury as well, and we don't know if he'll be able to make it for this first game here. And then I'm worried about the cohesion of our midfield as well. I'm worried about the defense, our midfield, and hey, even though we're so top heavy and we have so much quality, talking about Antonio, Shamar Nicholson, Leon Bailey, and the new addition, Demarai Gray, we have quality all across the board up top. But people, it's not like we're known for scoring a lot of goals. We're so wasteful in front of the goal. We saw in the more recently the Jordan game where Shamar Nicholson got some clear-cut chances and couldn't put it away. Even in the Qatar match, getting some chances. So we've seen it. Even in the Gold Cup qualifiers, Nation League qualifiers in the past. It's not like we're a team where we score bunches of goals, and I can see problems all across the field. Probably I don't see any problem in the goalkeeping because recently now we see that Andre Blake, he looks even more developed on his feet. He's no longer kicking the ball upfield. He looks calm in possession of the ball. He's not afraid to now string along some passes, and he seems confident. And already knowing that Andre Blake is the best goalkeeper to me in CONCACAF, arguably the best goalkeeper in CONCACAF, and the greatest goalkeeper in MLS. And he's proven it time and time again. Great shot stopper. And him adding this to his arsenal, being great on his feet, can only make him even better. So I would say I'm more confident in our goalkeeping. A bit worried about our defense, worried about the cohesion of our midfield, and struggling and hoping that we'll finally see some goals, Because, hey, I don't care how good the defense is. If you're not scoring, it is hard for you to win the game. So, hopefully even Corey Burke and Mr. Whisper, Dujan Richards, he can add some value. They can add some value to this team and put us over the edge. The likes of Damari Gray and Tony. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Leon Bailey, this right here is your tournament. For years, we have been hoping and praying to see Leon Bailey finally take this Reggae Boyz team and just put us over the edge. He is our star player, what people would call the poster boy. When you talk about Reggae Boyz, the first name that comes to your head is Leon Bailey, right? The first name that comes to your mind is Leon Bailey. And what is it? 3 goals and 3 assists in 15 games or so, if not more. And it is time. It is really time for Leon Bailey to step it up. We need to see the Leon Bailey that we saw when he was it Genk, and then moving on to Bayern Leverkusen, and then what we see now at Aston Villa. We need to see it. We know the talent level that Leon Bailey has, but we need to see him leading from the front as well, because he's one of the captains in this team. Make no mistake about it, people. And it is time. This has to be the competition where we see that, yes, I am Leon Bailey, and I am ready, and I'm going to show you my class. Yes, I'm good in club football, but I can show you what I can do, the damage that I can do in international football. Oftentimes, persons make the comparison with him and the Chelsea player. Oh my God, Pulisic. Oftentimes making that comparison, and you see time and time again, Pulisic always finds a way to. He's such a talisman for the United States, always bagging in goals, always getting an assist, always being an impactful player anytime he represents his country. Boy, boy, I don't want to sound disrespectful or not, but when I play for him clubbing up people, you have a scratch head sometime when you see Pulisic play for Chelsea sometime. Right? But once he get called up for the United States, he looks like a completely different player. And just like Leon Bailey, you know the quality that Pulisic has. So we just want to see that from Leon Bailey. Take that game into his hands and show that he is an impactful player. Show that he's the best player on the Reggae Boyz. Show that technical ability, show that skill, show that pace, show that finishing ability on your left foot, your right foot. Show it. It is time. This is the competition we want to see Leon Bailey step up. It's due now. It's due, people. It's due. It has to be in this competition, people. Because if he doesn't, people, and with the pipeline that we have now, with talent from overseas coming in, if him don't show up this competition, it is going to be a sad day for Leon Bailey. It is going to be more persons coming in and challenging. And maybe that would be a good thing for not only Leon Bailey, but for the entire team. So they don't take these call-ups for granted. So they don't take these call-ups for granted, and with more persons coming from overseas, top quality players coming from overseas to represent us at the national level, I can only see pushing us and pushing the players to their limit, to the best of their ability, and hopefully we can see some results. But in terms of the team, as I said before, people, I am worried, and for years, we know that Jamaica has the talent. For years, everybody know that. We have the talent. Even the rivals know that. We have the talent. But this is the problem, people. We have individual players, but we don't have a team. We don't have a team. I don't know if you see a team, but I don't see a team as it. I see individual players. You can look back on previous Reggae Boyz games, and it's always some individual spark that gets us over the edge at times. Persons might be saying to, in the Qatar game and the Jordan game, and people are saying, oh, the Reggae Boyz are better than these teams, and oh, them lose that game, and this and that. And people, this is where I have a problem with some of the fans. It's time that they give opponents the respect that they deserve. Qatar and Jordan have been developing their football. They've been developing their football, developing their infrastructure, developing the structure of their football, everything about their football. They have been slowly innovating, people. Trust me. But as for Jamaica, we lack in all of those departments. There's no level of consistency or professionalism at the administrative level, and sometimes within the team itself. So you have to look at that, people. And the coaches for both teams, they probably have that team for years. Training, coaching, all of that together, the camaraderie, the chemistry. Something that you can say that this Reggae Boyz team doesn't necessarily have as yet. So I am, as I said, maybe something is wrong with me. Maybe. I don't know, people. But I am just waiting to see June the 24th. I'm looking forward to see that game, and that game will determine my mood for the competition going forward. People, I need this. I don't know how, but I need to see a win. I need to see a win in that game to feel that spark, that positive energy, people. You look around the CONCACAF teams and you know the favorites. United States, Canada, Mexico. You know that USA bringing a B team. Same for Canada. And the quality is there. The chemistry is there. The camaraderie is there. As for the USA though, you know that they have some coaching issues over there as well. Have some coaching issues, so. But still, they are the United States and they have that structure. They have that development put in place, and even though these are MLS people, they're still quality. Trust me, people, they're still quality. So I am not going to come out here and say, oh, me have my big Leon Bailey, and I have my big Antonio, and I have my big Demari Gray, and a easy whooping. I can't talk so yet, people. Unfortunately, because I see time and time again when we bring up the Reggae Boyz, and then on match day, them just bring me back down. Speak briefly on Mexico. Now, for persons who don't know, is his name Lozano or something like that? The new interim coach. He used to coach the under-23 team for Mexico for a couple competitions. And some of those players who are in the under-23 are in this Mexico team here. So it won't be difficult for him to get the team gelling and working together. Because this team, trust me, people, I don't see where the other rivals have an edge and familiarity and quality to match. As for the Reggae Boyz people, I'm just not seeing it as yet. Now, with, Leon Bailey and Demari Gray coming in, and Kemar Lawrence and a few other players coming in from, last night? I believe so. Was it last night? The 24th, the 21st or the 20th, around that time, they're coming into the camp and thing. Today is the 22nd, Thursday. I'm expecting a training session. A light training session should be held today, I'm sure. But yeah, I don't know what the coach can achieve in a few days' time. They came into the United States, or when Was it the 19th or the 18th around that time? Was it that? No, not the 19th, sorry. The 21st or the 20th around that time. In the night or so. I'm not sure what he can achieve with this squad in such a short period of time. In 3 days, 2 days. When he incorporates the core pieces together. Now, what I am hoping, people, is that one, we get points in this first game, whether win or draw. Because if we lose this game, people, we have to sound the alarm. If we lose this game, we have to sound the alarm. Because Trinidad is confident, and the coach of Trinidad is a tactical genius, and he's been working with this squad. He's been working people, and he loves this rivalry with Jamaica. And you know that we'll be playing Trinidad in the second game. So you can imagine if we lose that game and Trinidad beats St. Kitts, and then we'll go play and we'll go play Trinidad, and Trinidad within themselves know so all we need is a draw here. So it is troubling, people. So let me know, people. Let me know how you feel, people. Let me know. Should I be more positive? Should I? Let me know, people. Should I be more optimistic about this team? This team that hasn't even played enough matches together to get a complete gel together, people. The chemistry, the camaraderie, everything, people. Let me know in the comment section, people. Really, really interested to see what you guys are saying. Let me know, people, if there are any persons who agree with the things that I've been saying as well, people. Let me know. It's not that I'm trying to be negative or anything, people. I just want to be realistic. We've seen it time and time again, people. So I would say temper your expectations. I am just waiting patiently for June the 24th. I need to see a win in that game. I want to see how the coach puts out that squad, that team, his first 11. I want to see it out there. I want to see how he sets up and how we play. With the limited amount of preparation, I would love to see how we look on that pitch against this United States team. But yes, people, that's the end of Email Talks. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye for now.